once again most welcome to again my YouTube चैनल। तो दोस्तों कैसे आप ठीक ठाक होंगे और जहाँ पे भी होंगे अपने फैमिली के साथ खुशबाश होंगे और हैप्पी लाइफ इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। तो दोस्तों प्ले एंड रीड द टारगेट 4736 coins available now this game, and I tell to you how to be complete to be this game. Okay, I show you this. So everything so much easily now because I will show you this is the game. Everything so much easily now because I explain to you this game. Okay, so I hope you will be enjoy this video. And guys, today I will be completed to be this game and how to be complete to be this better that. So this is the game name Open Hungry Shredder game. So starting to be easily to complete to be 500 meters. So everything so much easily now, and how to be complete now. So I will be explain you everything so much easily, and I request you the end of watching this video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. Guys, you checking now Hungry Shredder. I will be download this game and I will explain to you how to complete to be this game meter there because I will show you all of everything so much easily now because some of people sometime when coming on this game and he don't understand how to complete to be meters. So I will be give you best and best strategy how to complete to be this game because first of all when you coming and you checking on this game same like this. So which vegetable more give me coins because many of people not to understand, but I will playing this game, then I will be show you how to complete to be this game meter depth. Okay, and before here be also to be options available now guys, to be here we also available now options to be actually add the watch the video because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain to you because this is the everything so much easily now, and I hope you always to be understand now what I'm asking to you because more and more benefit for you because if you watching actually add the video and then you will be get coins to be triple. So and first of all when you will be coming and you will be purchasing be more durability level 9 because durability more important for you. Some of people not to be understand like the durability what is it because this is the if you have more durability so then you will be more earns coin. This time I have 9 like be durability and I want to be more, so I will be purchasing now more durability. Okay, so first of all when I will be starting this game and I already told to you this time I have like be 9 levels. So first of all my wish I want first of all durability levels purchasing now because some of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain to you how to complete to be this game meters. So I want to be first of all durability like be purchasing now, and then I am be easily to be get to my rewards, and I will be purchasing now everything so much easily. So first of all when you will be coming on and you will be also to be purchasing durability because this is the more important for you. So guys, you check it out 10 durability not to be have. Why? Because I want to be more purchasing that meters for me so important because some of people not to be understand Why asking to you? Because meter is more important for you before durability.
ये 5,000 मैंने पिछले
So I hope you will be understand now what I am telling to you, because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be explain to you. Because durability more you will be purchasing now, because then you will be more earns coins, and if you have more coins, so then you will be purchasing meter depth. Okay, check it on before you watching here be two ads. So thank you so much for you watching my video, and I will be purchasing durability and maximum like be 50 above you will be durability purchasing now, then you will be starting your meters depth. So I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.